Hey, what's up? So, another unboxing. Let's check it out. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear me clearly. First, let's get ourselves something to drink. Ooh, should have thought about it. These these gloves that I just got just so, you know, I could do it on the video and handle things without getting greasy fingertips on it. It's very slippery. So I may just take them off. I don't know. What do you guys think? Whatever. Something different, something new. All right. CRKT, Confidence in Hand. Ooh, some of you may not know, but it's called Colombian River Knife Tool. My brother got this for me a while back, and it's been in the back burner for a little bit. This item has been, oh, you see it right here, 6-bit driver set, product of China, but it's built in the United States, as far as I know. Anywho, I thought I needed a knife to open it, but I don't. Okay. Ooh. Good work. Oh, something cool, something different, maybe. Damn. How to avoid being asked to work the weekend by your boss. Tell your boss you have a family emergency, fake an illness, cut a hole in the ceiling with a KISS knife, and climb out. Ooh. That's pretty cool, actually. That's a cool looking knife. How to care for your knife. This is not a knife. This is a 6-piece 6-bit driver tool. Dude, it's the first time looking at this. This is actually really shiny. I like this. Ooh, heck yeah, check this thing out. I got these stats from their website. This is the description for it as well. You don't get the luxury of deciding where and when your knife needs cleaning and maintenance. This 6-bit driver set is a pocket-sized productivity saver with internal storage for bits and a handle crafted for maximum torque. This is nice, man. Compact utility driver easily fits in your hand, allowing more control for your precise work. Hell yeah. Easy and secure. Magnet and driver. And in tip. Secures driver bits. Oh, that is pretty damn cool, man. Oh, man. I'm gonna have some fun. Hell yeah. I got some knives that needs to be opened and cleaned. Wow. Storage and lightweight aluminum handle combines strength with minimum weight. Durable finish. Type 3 anodizing is scratch resistant. Nice. Convenient. Holds up to 6 bits. Ships with T6, T7, T8, T9, T10, T15 bits, I'm assuming. Aluminum body. This is really nice. This thing's pretty awesome. Price is about $36. Now I can open up knives. Hell yeah. Cheers to that. See what I mean? It's like really slippery, dude. Dangerous. Well, on top of this really cool device, I got myself a pivot oil. Hopefully this is the correct one. I want to switch this over to this side. Let's see. When I open it, take it out of my pocket, I want to take it out. So I want this right here instead of it being here. Tip up, take it out of my pocket, and we practice. Nope. Take it out of my pocket. Oh, so it needs to be on this side. Let's figure this out. Which one could it be? Let me take it out. That'll probably do better. Nope. Maybe it's this one. Yep, it's that one. All right, let's do this. Oh, wow. That's nice. I like that. I like that a lot. And the top spins against your palm, so when you're rotating it, you're not losing grip at all. That's actually pretty nice. Ooh, let's work on this one. That's really nice craftsmanship. Oh yeah, this is so awesome. Okay. Alright, now I'm tip up. Heck yeah. This is so crafty. I've been needing a tool for a long time. Like a long time. A lot of my knives are just getting old, getting dusty. This definitely helps. Double check the tightness. Oh, I'm tip up now. Let's put it in my pocket. Take it out. Heck yeah, dude. I've been needing to do that for the longest time, man. Heck yeah. Alright, that's it for the 6-bit driver tool. Cheers!